Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to Mel's Kitchen, where we cook with love and flavor is always the priority. Today, we are making juicy, perfectly seasoned grilled herb shrimp using my homemade green seasoning. If you haven't seen that recipe yet, it's on my playlist. Go ahead and check it out after this video. Trust me, you're going to want that in your kitchen. This recipe right here, simple, quick, and packed with bold, fresh flavor. I started by cleaning my shrimp really well. And don't forget to remove the vein. Wash them nicely and pat them completely dry with paper towels. Yeah, this step is important so that they grill beautifully. Next, we're going with some olive oil, black pepper, and generous spoon of that green seasoning, that beautiful blend of fresh herbs, garlic, and aromatic. Give everything a good mix. Make sure every single shrimp is coated in that goodness. Then let it marinate for at least 20 to 30 minutes so all that flavor can really soak in. After you skewer your shrimp, time for the magic. Use your favorite cooking spray or slightly oil the grill before placing the shrimp on. Grill them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Shrimp cook fast, so don't walk away. Once they turn that beautiful pink color and you can see those slight chalk marks, they are ready. Garnish with some parsley. This grilled herb shrimp is perfect with rice, salad, tacos, pasta, or honestly, just eat it straight off the plate. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep cooking with love.